The problem we are trying to address is the growing global carbon emissions. The excessive carbon emission is well recognized as a major cause of climate change, and there are currently several actions already taken to solve this problem. For example, the governments of many countries have implemented carbon tax, where the companies who are responsible for greenhouse gas emissions have to pay tax based on the amount of their carbon emissions. Other than carbon tax, there are also numerous nonprofit organizations who are working for the reduction of carbon emissions. Unlike the existing large scale solutions to greenhouse gas emissions, such as the government's policies and NPO's campaigns, the focus of our product is individuals, particularly climate activists and social media lovers. As mentioned before, the majority of our society is aware of this increasing carbon emissions over time, but they do not have any incentive to change their lifestyle and take action. This is because of the common misconception that individual actions have minimal effects on the reduction of carbon emissions. Nevertheless, we believe that collective individual efforts not only reduce a large portion of carbon emissions, but also further raise awareness of climate change. Our product will be the place for the users to record their own data about their carbon footprint and also encourage each other to take action for its reduction.
So the site is accessed with a hyperlink and is powered with Heroku, a container-based cloud platform. So the first page that the user will encounter is a sign-in page. So here at the top, there's the logo, there's the website logo and name. And there's a graphic showing beautiful scenery in the background. So first, users would click this to register their account. All registered accounts are encrypted and sent to a database for secure storage and management by administrators. And then users would input their email address and password. And if the password is incorrect, a pop-up appears. You can use the forgot password button. And if it is correct, you enter into your personal profile and dashboard.
So after the users log into this app, they will see this dashboard page. So on the top, there will be links that will link to different parts of this page or other pages. And the first feature is the carbon tracker. The carbon tracker shows the different parts of the user's carbon emission using this pie chart. So for example, this pie chart shows that this user has 20 car rides and 11 bus rides, which means that 64.5% of the carbon emission is by car and 35.5% of the carbon emission is by a bus. And on the bottom, the user can select a transportation type and they can input the number of hours and minutes, and when the users press this record button, the data will be recorded and added to this pie chart. So under that, there's the socials features. So the users will be able to take these data and post it on their socials, such as Twitter and Instagram in this case. And they can also view others' carbon footprints, so they can compare and get motivated to reduce their carbon emission. And these are also interactive, so they can click on links to go to other users' pages. And under that, there are buttons that they can easily link and share their data to social media. And another thing is that it is responsive. So depending on the size of this web page or the device, the website will adapt and change the size of these UIs. So for example, we go to the inspect page and change the device size. These buttons and graphs will automatically change its size, so users can easily view these data and record their carbon footprint on different devices. So as an example, iPhone SE looks like that, and these also looks good and works on these devices, as well as a normal website in the browser.